The first step. Put the electric wire in and put its suitable location. Then tighten the screws. The second step. Slip the label in with the bottom paper facing up. Put the other tray in and lock it tight. Put the label around the roller. Stretch the label. Notice there's a sensor that has to go in there. Through the label peeling of plate. Note that the label must pass through the middle of the traction shaft. Tighten the label and then lock it. The label is installed. The third step. Press manual stop. Click the towing point move button. Let the label out a paragraph. Then click single label. One label must be finished. The second label is parallel to the label stripping board, so there is no extra label. It is an even state. Now it's not finish a whole sheet of label. Then type the parameters on the display. Click Parameter Settings. Click Delay Stop label. Increase the parameter, then enter. Then click Traction Single Step. Just in time for the whole label to come out. Try labeling. Press the Auto Run button. This is not a line. Adjust the distance of slide table. Click Parameter Settings. The next page. Click the Convey Schedule to increase the parameters. Once again. It's obviously going to be smaller. It's still not coincident. It's going to be smaller again. The difference is about 2 millimeters. Reduce 2 毫米. Again, the millimeter difference. Increase the value by another millimeter. Try again. If the labels do not overlap, try increasing or decreasing the value. That will do.